today's video we are going to be unboxing the September RoccaBox. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing great today. Today's video I have the September RoccaBox to be ripped open. Let's get in here. So this is what it's like inside the box. We have an advertisement. We have the edit card where it has got pictures of what's in the box, but then if you want information on the products there's a QR code to scan. So I'll do that in a minute, but just move everything up here so you can see. There we go, there's a little sneak peek for you. This is £15 per month. It's £3.95 postage on top of that. If you subscribe for a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, it gets slightly cheaper the longer you subscribe for. But yeah, let's just get straight in here and have a little look-see. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. And just to say as well, there is a link down below in the information box and in the comment box. If you click that, it'll get you 25% off your first box. Going back to the edit card for a moment, on here it says that this edit is called Rising Stars. It has a worth of £109. I've just scanned the QR code and it works. So let's get started. So the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Hello Skin, and this is hydrogel eye mask. You get 60 pieces in here. It's a full-size product and it has a value of £9.99. So there's 30 sets of eye masks in there altogether, and it just says these little patches of magic are swiftly gaining popularity from their ability to rejuvenate and refresh the delicate skin around the eyes. Infused with nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and soothing plant extracts, these hydrogel masks lock in moisture, reduce puffiness, leaves your skin brighter and more with a more awake appearance. I cannot speak. So yeah, you whack them on for like 15-20 minutes and take them off. Normally what I like to do, I just put them on and leave them on until I remember to take them off. If I'm busy doing chores around the house or busy editing a video or reading a book, yeah, I just whack them on and leave them. I have received this in another box. Was it last month or the month before? And I've used a few of them. They are nice. The only problem is they are slippery little suckers. You pop them on and then they'll slowly slide down your face. So I can't really walk around and get on with chores or whatever. I'll have to be lying down so they don't move. They do feel really refreshing under the eyes. Feel cooling, which yeah, again, the puffiness. Haven't seen a reduction in fine lines or anything like that, but they are pleasant to use. I just wish they didn't slide around. But this is what I've just took out the box, and this is the one I received a little while ago. So I'm going to leave this one sealed. We'll have a look at this one that I've already opened a little while ago. So yeah, that's what they look like in there. It's like little jelly masks. I've used about 3 sets from here, I think, something like that. Yeah, they are pleasant, very pleasant. I just wish they were more user friendly, where you could walk around and do stuff, but they're like little slugs just sliding down your face. But yeah, I do love eye masks. Second product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Archive, and it's the Good Habit Hybrid Hair Oil. Ooh, this is a full-size product. There's 50 mils in here and it has a value of £14. Wow, that's 50 mils. It's such a small bottle. That's crazy, isn't it? This brand is on our radar because of the salon quality hair care by world-renowned stylist Adam Reed, but at an accessible price. Yeah, definitely at £14, that's great. One of our must-haves from the brand is the Good Habit Hybrid Hair Oil. It's generated buzz from its transformative qualities. It's formulated with a blend of natural oils that work harmoniously to moisturize, strengthen and protect locks. Whether you have dry, damaged hair or just to add a healthy shine, this hybrid oil has you covered. that is absolutely great. So it says just put a small amount in the palms of your hands and distribute evenly through damp or dry hair. Okay, yeah, cool. I normally like to do it when my hair is being towel dried, and then I style it while I've got the oil in my hair. But yeah, cool. I love testing stuff in my hair. I might have to do a little video on it and we'll see how good it is. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Chemist, and it's Advanced Lash Intensive Clear Mascara Treatment. This is a full-size product, 8 mils, and it has a value of £69. Wow. Let's have a look. It's my son upstairs, I'm sorry if you can hear him. It says, when it comes to beauty trends, lush and voluminous lashes are always in style. This serum is causing a stir with its promise to enhance lash growth and overall health. Acting as both a mascara primer and lash treatment, this product adds a natural definition to your lashes while also nourishing them. Yeah, great. My lashes go through fits and stages. One day they can look really nice. I'll put my mascara on, I'm like, oh yeah, I actually look like I've got nice long lashes, and other times they look short and dumpy and what have you. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. That sounds so cool. Especially as it's saying, yeah, you can use it as a lash primer and then put your mascara on. Love the packaging. That is what the wand looks like. Cool. Yeah. And wow, how much did I say that was? £69. Yeah, can't wait to try that one out. Fourth product in the box. It says that it's by the brand called 6 Ways, and it says Lucky Dip. It'll be a full-size product that you get, and it ranges from £10 to £26. Let's have a look. Why it's a rising star. With its commitment to holistic beauty and a range of products that reflect their dedication, 6 Ways has quickly captured the attention of beauty enthusiasts and experts alike, including us. So much so that we simply could not pick a favourite from their range. Whichever you get will be a lucky dip. So it doesn't say what products from them that you could possibly get. You just get one and accept it. The one I have is this. So obviously the brand is by 6 Ways, and it's a hydrating daily cleanser, 125 mils. So yeah, this is worth from £10 to £26. No, my look, it's probably the low end, but a creamy gel that gently cleanses, purifies skin without stripping the skin of moisture, melts away the day, and leaves skin feeling refreshed. Yeah, cool. I love trying out new cleansers. Why not? Let's just... Oh, it's sealed. We'll leave it sealed. Yeah, cool. So nice size, I must say. That's going to last a little while. And final product in the box is this. It wasn't an advertisement at all. It's actually to do with these. So this is by the brand myrkl. I've got no idea, I'm sorry if I've butchered that, I probably have. So what you're getting is 3 doses, which are sample sizes. So you get 3 doses, which is valued at £6, and they are pills that you take the night before drinking to stop a hangover. Beauty isn't just about skincare and makeup, it's also about feeling your best from the inside out. These vitamins are revolutionising the way you recover from a night out of indulgence and designed to be taken the night before drinking, helping to minimise the dreaded hangover the next day. They even have some amazing benefits for those who aren't drinking as much. So let's have a look. Contributes to the reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Contributes to normal red blood cell formation, contributes to normal energy yielding metabolism, and also to normal function of immune system. Take 1 sachet, which is 2 pills, with a glass of water. Okay, so that's quite easy. I do drink, but not regular at all. But yeah, I'm sure they are definitely going to come in useful, because when I drink, I like to drink. But yeah, have you heard of this brand before? Have you tried them? If you have, what do you think? Definitely sound interesting. Right guys, so this is the September RoccaBox Rising Star Edit, worth £109. What do you think? personally, I'm really liking the box. I'm liking some of the products, so I'm not excited about those because I already have nearly a whole pot from another beauty box that I unboxed last month or the month before, so they're not the best ones either. I can't wait to try the hair oil, really excited about that. I am excited about the Lash intensive primary thing that looks after your lashes. Yeah, the cleanser, it sounds nice. It's a cleanser. What would have been nice is if it named the other products from the brand that it was given out to other people who got the beauty boxes, because it's such a big difference between £10 and £26. I don't like that idea. And this is a bunch of samples that they've given as they have classed as one product in the box. I don't want a bunch of samples as an item in the box. They would have been, in my eyes, a free gift in the box, but that's just me. Although I am excited about trying them, that's nothing against this brand at all. It's against RoccaBox that have put it in as a product, in a dedicated product in the box. But yeah, overall it does get a massive thumbs up. I definitely feel like I've got my money's worth, which is the most important thing. But what do you think? Comment down below. And yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.